Prepare with me for 2025 with this new bullet journal that I'll be setting up today. So it's been a while since I've been wanting to have a logbook, and every year I have exams at this time of the year. So this time I was a little free, so I decided to prepare for New Year with a whole new journal, and I wanted to design it by myself according to my needs because I struggle in remembering things. I also want a good to do list and also a calendar all in one place. And also, I want to, know myself a little bit more by writing down some journal prompts daily and also noting down my diet, and everything in one place. So I wanted to do it all by myself, but I'll not be sharing every single detail with you. I'll be only sharing the layout because these things are kind of personal, but you can surely see how I design it. And also, it's my first time doing it, so please don't mind if I make any mistake by any chance. So here you go. Wait till the end to see how it turns out, and also you can make any recommendations you have in the comment section.